Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, these white things that you see, that's onions. I didn't want to toast it too much, I just wanted like crunchy. So I did it like kind of crunchy. And I added parsley, butter. Instead of frying it with, how you call it, with oil, I thought that butter would give it a better taste. So I did it with that too. And it has a little bit of, what else? Parsley, pepper, oregano. And this is already salted, so it didn't need no salt. And the onions. I had to boil it. First I washed it. I boiled it. When I tasted it, it was still real salty. So I cleaned it out and just throw water until it was the right taste of salt. And that's when I took all the water out and then stir fried it here, cook it up, and it came out delicious. So I'm gonna leave you because I'm going to eat. First of all, I'm not a chef or anything. I just cook because I have to eat. So I like to invent things. So I don't like eating the same thing over and over and over. Like today is chicken, tomorrow is something else, and I like using different things. I want to do a pastelillo, and I also want to do, what was it? I forgot what it was. Oh my God, I forgot. But when I remember, I'll let you know. But I do have a plan to make pastelillo this weekend. I did the alcapurria. They were gone. There was only like 9 of them. And it was gone. I virtually only took like 2. The rest, everybody took it. So, it does, the meat, the alcapurria tastes way better when you take the mixture and you kind of adobo it. You put a little bit of adobo, you put a little bit of coloring, you put garlic, pepper, all those little things, because Puerto Ricans like seasons. They like a lot of seasons. It's like me. I just went outside to get a coriander, then I realized if I put coriander in this, I'm going to mess up the taste. So I didn't put no coriander, of course, because I never heard of coriander with catfish, unless it's stewed. So, but anyway, I got a safe day. I put it in water. It'll last a couple of days, and I'll make something up with it. I hope this don't be shaky. Let me pressure my hand here. So this is how I do catfish. It's very easy. Just stir fry it. You put the onions there. You put the ingredients. And instead of cooking it with oil, try a little bit of butter. It tastes great. So saying that, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.